Hi, welcome back to 𝗣cie𝗺𝗲 and welcome to yet another series of social media tips in which we will share 10 valuable tips on social media on 10 consecutive days. And we are sure by the end of this series, you would be viral all over the social media. To watch all the videos of this series, please like and share this video and please click on the subscribe button. And yes friends, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from 𝗣cie𝗺𝗲. So what are we waiting for? Let's put on your seat belts and let's go viral. And the tip for the day is study your surroundings. Now friends, I'd like to explain this in a bit technical term. For those who know management, it would be a cakewalk. I would like to explain the surroundings with the famous Porter's 5 forces model. Yes, you've got it right, the Porter's 5 forces model. Now what are the 5 forces that act on your surroundings? Number 1, threat of new entrants. Number 2, the bargaining power of buyer. Number 3, the bargaining power of supplier. Number 4, threat of substitute products. And number 5, rivalry among competitors. Now friends, I'm sure by listening to the 5 points or the 5 threats that are there in the Porter's 5 forces model, you have made some idea about what I'm going to talk about. Threat of new entrants. You should always be aware of the new players who are entering today and might pose a threat to you tomorrow. Bargaining power of buyers. Here buyer is your target audience and bargaining power is their liking and you have to create content to their liking. Bargaining power of supplier. Here you are the supplier. You have to curate the content so that you can reach out to the maximum base of your target audience. Threat of substitute products. Substitute is always a threat to the main product and same is in this case. People might move on to something which is not you but like you. Rivalry among competitors. Friends, whenever there is any product or service or any entity, there is always a competition and social media presence is not very different from that. You are there, your competitors are there and you have to survive and come out on the top amongst your competitors. So that was all for today's tip. I hope you have been able to derive some value out of this video. If so, please like and share this video and please click on the subscribe button. And yes friends, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss out on any important video from 𝗣cie𝗺𝗲𝗏. So see you tomorrow once again with another tip. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and keep watching 𝗣cie𝗺𝗲𝗏𝗏.